Hey, lovely people, Couponer Crystal here with the insert preview for this coming Sunday, August the 1st, guys. We've got 3 inserts we're going to talk about today. We've got 2 save inserts, and we've got the UNILEVER Super Saver insert. We got some great coupons in there, guys, so I've got to share it with my lovely people. So let's get into this insert preview for this coming Sunday, August the 1st. We've got 2 save inserts, and then we've got a UNILEVER insert. So we're going to start with this one. Always remember that coupons can be regional. I may not get coupons that you get and vice versa, okay? So we are starting out with a buy 30, get 10 on the Bountiful Company, which is on the Nature's Bounty products. Apparently, you can buy 30 of Nature's Bounty products between 8/1 and 8/31. Snap a photo of your valid receipt and upload it to naturebountypromo.com or text Nature Bounty Promo and get a $10 digital reward via email. That's a great deal because you guys know that I actually do the hair, skin, and nails. And I'm actually doing the argan oil infused capsules. I like that better than the gummies. So we've got a buy 30, get 10. They're advertising over here. And we've got some coupons. So we've got $3 off of the Immune 24-hour supplement, another $3, another $2, and $1 and $3. Great coupons. Now, actually, I actually bought some last week because I ran out from CVS. So we've got a $5 coupon on the BuyFlex and another $5 coupon. And here we go. This is my coupon. Save $2 on any one vitamin, Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement. Ester C. And then we've got $3 on any Sundown gummy product, $2 on the same thing, Sundown, and apparently Sundown kid products. So apparently it's going to also be included with these products as well. Okay. And here we go. We got Pure Protein. We save $10 when you redeem all of these offers. Okay. All right, so now we've also got the Pure Protein. We've got a $2 coupon, a $2 coupon, $3 coupon, and $3 coupon. And just an advertisement again. That is the back of that one. Now let's go over to this save insert. Fuel your greatness. All right, on anyone, I've never heard of this product. Have you guys heard of this product before? It's a $2 coupon and is available at Walmart. Now we've got a $2 Vaseline lotion coupon and Walgreens. Get a $10 gift card when you spend $30 on participating UNILEVER brands. All right, so this is going to be executed back via the Fetch Rewards app. Okay, buy $30 worth, scan your receipt. And by claiming your $10 gift card from the Fetch Rewards app to use later, okay. And then it looks like it's going to be buy one, get one. 50% off with the UNILEVER or Axe products for the Axe hair, bath, or personal care. So that's letting you know a little sneak peek. All right, put your best face forward, okay? Register rewards, $3 off of your next purchase when you spend $15 on participating St. Ives or Pond's products. So, there you go. Post them in. All right. And what do we have up here? We've got $6 off of 2 Schwarzkopf hair color. We've got $3 for Advil, $3 for Advil PM, and then $1 for Advil. Okay. We have got a buy one, get one free Dial and or Tone body wash. $1 off of any 2 Dial foaming hand washes, hand soap refills, or bar soaps. And let's see, a 55 cents when you buy any one Jimmy Dean frozen item. 75 cents when you buy any one Jimmy Dean item. And then we've got $2 off of any one. I've never heard of these biscuits before. Have you guys heard of that before? The biscuit maker in Germany. Okay. We've got Family Dollar flyer. We'll scan that a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to do Family Dollar. We're just going to scan them real quick. Let you guys get a peek. You know, everybody's going to be doing back to school stuff. All right, we got some more. Okay. All right, we've got Zyrtec. We got 2 Zyrtec coupons. And let's see what we got down here. We got Opti-Free, Clean and Clear. What is that? Clear Care or Clear Care Plus, Sustain, and Zadador. Okay. Nothing here. Let's see what this is. This is a buy one Old Spice body wash pump or Olay body wash pump and get one Safeguard Fresh Clean Hand Sanitizer 12 ounce free. Okay. Sounds like a plan to me. All right, so we got to take a minute for the baby, Alea Clay. This baby is missing. All right, please keep her in your prayers, okay? Next, we are going to go over to the UNILEVER Super Saver insert. So you see, it's about to be back to school. Okay. We've got save $3 on any 2 Axe stick deodorant body spray or body wash product. We've got save $2 on any one Axe hair care product. We've got a save $1 on any one Magnum ice cream tub. $1 on the 7th generation liquid laundry detergent. 25 cents on the dish liquid. $2 on any 2 Suave Professional shampoo or conditioner products. Save $1. We've got save $2 on the Suave Professionals for natural hair. And then we've got a buy one, get one free for the natural hair product. Get one Suave Professional or natural hair product free. Good coupon. Save $1 on any one Suave Men hair care product. And we've got $1 on the Suave lotion. Okay. We've got 50 cents on the Suave deodorant. We've got $2 on the Dove body polish when you buy the Dove soap or body wash. Good coupon. $3 on any 2 Dove hair care products. Okay. Next, we've got a buy one, get one free. Buy one Dove Men Plus Care body wash product. Get one Dove Men Plus Care antiperspirant or deodorant product free. Save $2 on any one Dove Men Plus Care bar soap 6-pack or larger. And then we've got a $2 on the Dove Men Plus Care hair product. I think that's a good coupon as well. We've got $3 on any 2 Tresemme. $4 on any 2 Tresemme Pro Collection, and $3 on any 2 of the Tresemme styling products. Now, we've got a $5 off of any one Nexus product, a $3 off of any 2 St. Ives Simple Noxzema or Pond's face care products. Now, they just need to get some rebates to roll with this because you know we got a rebate for this already on Ibotta. Save $1 on any 2 Suave body wash products. And save $1.25 on any one Dove Advanced Care Even Tone Zero or Clinical product deodorant coupon. Save $3 on any 2 Dove Men Plus Care Degree or Degree Men Dry Spray Antiperspirant products. Okie dokie. All right. Now, let's see. What are they talking about? All right. Talking about back to school. Okay, I hope this insert preview was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know in the comments below of the video. What was your favorite coupon? And are you looking forward to these coupons in this coming Sunday's inserts 8-1? Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Share this video with someone that you think will enjoy it. Bye-bye.